Enforcement Directorate now begins the search for Koda's aide Sanjay Chaudhary. This happens after Times Now's report and expose on the mining scam. Chaudhary, remember, was in direct touch with Bastawade, who was tracked by Times Now in Jakarta. This is coming after Times Now's expose as a Times Now impact. First, we saw Anil Bastawade in Jakarta. He was detained. He was brought back to India. Madhu Koda's custody, the Jharkhand former chief minister, was taken by the ED for a month longer in the Supreme Court. Now finally we are seeing some action by the ED that has begun its hunt for Madhu Koda's aide Sanjay Chaudhary after Times Now's report on the 4,000 crore mining scam. Remember, all this action only taking place after the kingpin of the 4,000 crore mining scam, Anil Bastawade, was found by Times Now in Jakarta. Senior editor Vivek Narayanan did see him there, after which the ED was forced to bring him back to India. He was deported back. He's been now detained. Judicial custody has been obtained of Anil Bastawade, who is the main kingpin. Now Sanjay Chaudhary's lookout has also been noted by the ED. For more, let's go across to our correspondent Poonam Agarwal, who's joining us on the phone line. Poonam, give us more details.
Well, what we have gathered from the Enforcement Directorate that they have already been able to locate 4 islands in Indonesia where Anil Bastawade owned coal mines. In fact, during their visit to Indonesia, these 2 ED officials, Arun Kumar and Akshay Sinha, the officials who went to deport Anil Bastawade, they also went to these 4 islands on 28th of January with Anil Bastawade to find out the area which he bought and the investments, the amount of investments that he has made. So at the moment, what Enforcement Directorate officials are saying that these 4 islands, they are yet to estimate the cost of it, but they suspect that the money which was laundered related to illegal mining, those money were invested in these islands. So apart from that, what Enforcement Directorate officials are also saying is that they have been able to grill him during their way from Indonesia to India. In fact, during that time, he has said